In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Fusion 360 unknown meshing error step by step. This is one of those frustrating issues that pops up during simulation or meshing where Fusion just says unknown error and gives you no clear reason. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what causes it and how to fix it quickly. If this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. So first, what actually causes the unknown meshing error in Fusion 360? In most cases, it comes down to geometry problems. That means your model might have very small faces, sharp edges, or tiny gaps that the mesher can't properly process. Another common issue is self-intersecting bodies, where parts of your model overlap or intersect in ways that break the mesh calculation. You can also run into this error if your mesh settings are too fine. If the element size is extremely small, Fusion struggles to generate the mesh because the computation becomes too complex. And finally, sometimes the model itself is corrupted, especially if it was imported from another CAD program or heavily edited. Now let's fix it step by step. The first thing you want to do is simplify your model. Go through your design and remove unnecessary details like tiny fillets, small holes, or decorative features that don't impact your simulation. These small details are one of the biggest causes of meshing failures. Next, check for geometry issues. Carefully inspect your model for gaps, overlaps, or invalid faces. You can use Fusion 360's inspect tools to help identify problem areas. If something looks off, try repairing or rebuilding that section. After that, increase your mesh size. Go into your simulation settings and switch to a coarser mesh by increasing the element size. A larger mesh is easier to compute and often resolves the error instantly. If the issue still persists, try recreating or repairing the geometry. Sometimes imported files or complex edits introduce hidden issues that are hard to detect. In those cases, remodeling the part or using repair tools can fix the problem. Another effective method is to split the model into smaller parts. Complex bodies can be difficult to mesh as a whole, so breaking them into simpler sections can make the process much more stable. Here's a quick tip to remember. When you see the unknown meshing error, it almost always means your geometry is either too complex or slightly broken. Simplifying the model solves this problem in most cases. And that's it. You now know how to fix the Fusion 360 unknown meshing error using simple and effective methods. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Fusion 360 guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.